Super excited for this video today. We're going to be talking about a new factory accessory from Heritage for their 16-inch Rough Rider Revolver. So let's go. What's up, crew? It's Chris with CloverTac, and welcome back to the channel. Now, before we dive into and take a look at this accessory, there are two things I want to cover right off the bat. First of all, this is a factory accessory from Heritage, from the manufacturer of the Rough Rider Revolver. And number two, this accessory in no way changes the function of this firearm. It still remains a single action revolver, still going to be chambered in .22 long rifle. It still has the same trigger, hammer, 16-inch barrel, etc. So with that out of the way, what exactly is this awesome accessory we're going to talk about? Well, it is a stock assembly for the 16-inch Heritage Rough Rider Revolver. Now, a little backstory is a couple of years ago that Heritage released the Rancher Carbine version of their Rough Rider Revolver. And as you can see from this picture, there's no difference between the Revolver version and the Carbine version, except for the grips have been replaced by a stock. So let's fire a few rounds with the 16-inch version of the Heritage Rough Rider. Then we'll turn around and we'll install that stock accessory and see what kind of difference it makes. Now, as always, anytime there's live fire on the range, safety first, got my eyes on and my ears in. Here we go. So 6 rounds with the 16-inch barrel Heritage Rough Rider Revolver. Here we go. You can see all that weight out front. Definitely makes it a little bit difficult to hold on target. Now let's get the new stock accessory installed and we can give that a try. And so here we are with that 16-inch Heritage Rough Rider Revolver in the carbine configuration with that stock accessory installed. Now, one thing I did not mention on that 16-inch, and honestly it's important on any revolver, a little bit of a safety tip: keep your hands when you're firing a revolver away from the cylinder area here. Hot gases and stuff tend to escape from that area, and you want, of course, avoid any injury. But as we can see, same barrel, same hammer, same trigger, same cylinder. It's going to be single action. One thing that's kind of unique to this is a little hook at the bottom of the trigger guard. And I think that's probably there to help keep you from putting that offhand anywhere near that cylinder area. You can kind of hook that with your finger here. So let's put a few downrange with the carbine version now of the Rough Rider. See what happens. And I'm sure you can see right away, I don't have all the wobbling that's going on like I did with the Revolver version of this. And that's because of the stock accessory and then having a place to kind of steady up a little more with that offhand. As far as the way it operates though, you can see everything exactly the same. And so after shooting this thing, what are my thoughts? Well, can certainly hold it a little more steady. It doesn't change, again, the function at all on this thing. I think the biggest takeaway that personally for me is it looks 1,000 times better. And with something like the Heritage line of revolvers being chambered in .22 long rifle, they're more for fun on the range than just about anything else. And speaking of Heritage revolvers, I got more videos on those here on the channel, so be sure to click one of these and check those out. Thanks for hanging out, thanks for watching, and until next time, don't forget to chain fire freedom.